Hi, my name is Zeus Kang. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Husby.com. In this video, Husby University presents How and When Do I Get Keys? Every jurisdiction has its own processes for when and how keys are exchanged, so always consult with your escrow officer. But in most cases, the keys can legally be released to you once the title and escrow company is in receipt of full funds for the purchase, also known as funding. The term funding refers to the process of wiring or releasing money from the mortgage lender to the title and escrow prior to closing a real estate transaction. Funding often occurs a day or two before closing, and you can't close until it happens. Depending on your jurisdiction, keys can be exchanged either at the title escrow company at signing or a few days after when the paperwork has been recorded with the appropriate government entity, such as the Bureau of Conveyance. Always be sure to consult with your escrow officer and seller to coordinate the key exchange.